Guys, for tonight video, meron tayong na-stroll pero napakasarap ng tinda nila. Sa Hong Kong, street food. Street food dito sa Hong Kong. Kasi meron silang parang isaw. Pero dito hindi barbecue, so steam yan. Meron silang fishball. Meron fishball curry. Tapos fishball ulit din. Fishball. Sarap yun guys. Isang order tayo ng chicken leg. Chicken, fried,
Yeah.
very good. You very good taste.
Chicken leg here, one more.
Only me ah. Only one. Uncle, this one is Thailand?
Yeah.
Thailand. Your wife from Thailand?
Yeah.
You from Hong Kong?
Yeah.
Oh yes. This, you know, this one very famous in North Point.
Huh?
Very famous in North Point.
Oh,
This one. You how many years? 20 years?
20 year more.
Oh,
20 more.
yeah. You know the taste never change. Before I come here, 2014.
Oh.
2014. First time I eat. My friend live here. And then until now, same food.
2014.
2014, first time I eat. Yeah? So, I think 9 years? 20 years plus na itong Pasko. Napakasarap. Ano ba guys? Ganyan lang yan. Binibilangan ko hanggang morning. So, nag-i-start sa mga... What time is start open?
I don't know. 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. 6 o'clock to 4 o'clock, yeah?
To 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. 6 to 5 o'clock in the morning. They're open here. So, napakasipag ni Uncle yan. Yun yung menu nila. Okay na. Yun yung menu nila. Napakasimple lang yun guys. Pero napakasarap yung tinta nila. Since, noong una ko itong natikman is 2014. Pero, yung lasa is hindi nagbabago. So, ang wife ni Kuya is from Thailand. Nag-infuse sila ng Chinese version. Tapos Thai, pati yung mga sauce nila. Yun din yung so, ang binibili ko lang dito guys is yung chicken leg, tapos yung soup. Soup lang nila is masarap na. So, hindi na tayo bibili ng noodles kasi maraming noodles sa bahay. Pero,
You stay working in Saturday.
yes, same. Simsate.
Oh.
Wow, so yummy.
Before working no phone, ah.
We buy this one. Every time buying here. Food sauce. Yummy. Uncle very working hard. Uncle very rich now for 20 years.
Rich, yeah.
Kaya? Very rich
Rich,
uncle ah.
yeah.
Kaya?
Okay,
Thank you
bye-bye.
uncle. Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you. Ano guys? Dito tayo. Uncle, bye-bye.
Bye.
Masarap. Yummy. Ganyan lang ang buhay natin dito sa Hong Kong. Pagkatapos ng work, uwi. Kung may pera, bibili ng ulam. Pag wala, tutulog na lang. So, ganun. Pero mabait yan si Uncle. So, guys, see you in a bit. Pagdating sa bahay, kamain na tayo.